Beginning on Tuesday evening on BBC1, you can see the first of 4 programmes about one of the greatest artists in the history of British rock and roll, Cliff Richard. The film traces Cliff's rock and roll history with the aid of archive material and interviews. Rock and Roll Juvenile, the first in the series, begins at 7:10 on Tuesday evening. Now, look ahead to tomorrow evening on BBC1. The Sunday film at 7:15 is Escape to Athena, a tongue-in-cheek adventure set on a Greek island controlled by the Germans in 1944. It stars Roger Moore, Telly Savalas, Claudia Cardinali and David Niven. There's the final heat of the first round of Mastermind at 9:10, and after the news, Omnibus at 9:50 features a profile of the controversial conductor Sergiu Celibidache at work with the London Symphony Orchestra on Fauré's Requiem. Sunday night at 10:50 includes a report on the traditional Easter celebrations on the island of Patmos. And the Colonel's Inheritance brings a sparkle to Sergeant Bilko's eyes at 11:25. And these are programmes tomorrow evening on BBC1. And the weather forecast tonight, further wintry showers are likely with some heavy snow in parts of the north. Tomorrow, the eastern side of Britain will have a cold day with wintry showers. In the west, cloud and rain will spread slowly eastwards, possibly giving some snow over northern hills for a time. And that's tomorrow's weather. The time now is coming up to 11 minutes past 1, and BBC Television is about to close down, but you'll find a warm welcome awaiting you on Radio 2, where Pete Murray's Late Show is in full swing. And on the subject of radio, you might like to make a note about some of tomorrow's programmes, which include a new series with Adrian Just, who begins a brand new Sunday morning show on Radio 1 at 10 o'clock. On Radio 2 at 7:30 tomorrow morning, Nick Page in Africa features a programme specially recorded on location in Nairobi. And as part of Radio 3's Spanish season, España, there's a play at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening called Actors, or Playing for Real, by the Shakespeare of Spain, Lope de Vega. That's tomorrow on BBC Radio. But for the moment, from BBC Television, from all of us here, it's good night to you.